Researchers find ways to target sound to individuals. The way in which we listen to music and hear sound has changed over the centuries. Today, we have a state-of-the-art noise-canceling earbud that provide the highest quality oral experience. In the near future, we will be able to listen to music in public without headphones. New technology is being tested that can amp beams of sound of individuals without people next to them hearing. This means we could be having private conversation in public without others listening in. A team of researchers at Penn State University in the USA developed an innovation called audio enclaves. The ultrasound wave used for these enclaves cannot be heard en route to the recipient. In addition, the wave can be bent to get around obstacles. The researchers spoke to the website The Conversation about their work. Leader researcher Jack-Xin Zhong said, "We essentially he created a virtual handset. Someone within an audible enclave can hear something means only for them, enabling sound and quiet zone." He elaborated on the potential use of the technology. Museums could provide headphone-free audio guides to visitors. Passengers in the car could listen to music without distracting the drivers. Those requiring confidentiality could set up the enclave to ensure their conversations are not overheard. Individuals could also receive personalized ads as they walk through a shopping mall. In addition, audio enclaves could be set up to eliminate noise pollution in busy workplaces.